Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on data saver on your Threads app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you to your profile here on this window. Then you just go up, you will click here on this sign here or up, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just click here on accounts. So then it's going to take you here in this window, then you click here on other account settings, then it's going to take you here in this window. You just go down and you come here to here, you click here, then it's going to take you here in this window. You come here to data saver, you will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean data saver it's turned on now. I wish know you are great. That's all, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.